What's up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, leave that notification bell on, and drop a comment letting me know that you guys are a subscriber, because once I hit 250 subscribers, which is coming up really soon, I'm at like 185 at the time I'm recording this video, I'm going to be doing a random giveaway to a person in my comment section that has recently subscribed. So if you're new here and you're watching, might as well subscribe, jump into this giveaway, because you're going to be getting a special prize, possibly if you're selected as the winner when I hit 250 subscribers. So, as you read in the title of this video, guys, I just wanted to go over 3 stocks that I'm looking to trade in February of 2018. This is Think or Swim by TD Ameritrade right here. This is the particular platform that I use to analyze my stocks, better understand where to buy, where to sell, and how much money each stock has to offer. And I recommend this to any beginner investor / trader in the stock market so they can understand how the stocks are moving and how to make the most profit possible on each particular stock. So right off the bat here, guys, we see that the number one stock I'm looking to trade in the month of February in 2018 is Apple. I usually do not have large cap stocks that I trade. Typically when I do swing trades, I stick to mid cap stocks and ETFs, but I figured this one is a very good buying opportunity right now, in my opinion, and it's actually an earnings play. Apple actually reports earnings this Thursday. I forget the date exactly, but it's the beginning of February. If you guys believe in the company overall and you believe that the iPhone 10 sales are very successful and will boost the company's revenues and profits and total stock price up, then right now should be a good time for you to get into Apple. And besides that, let's do some technical analysis on Apple, guys. We see that it's actually at a support level right now at right around 169, 170, that it's actually bounced up from and done well from 4 times in the past, right? It's hit 170 right here. Let me draw it out so you guys can see it, right? Boom, it hit 170, 169 here, went back up to 176, went down to 170, went up to 176, and then we just recently saw it go from 170 all the way up to 180. So that potential for profit from 170 to 180 is about 6%, right? 6%. And I would consider this one of the safer swing trades that I'm going to be making this month, guys. I've actually been hopping in and out of Apple for the past month or two in this exact same pattern that I just told you guys, from 170 to 176. That in itself offers like 3 to 4% potential for profit, and that's okay, guys. That's okay. If you take like a $5,000 position, that's about like $200 over the course of 2 weeks or so. So that's not bad. I mean, it's not a lot of money, but if you want to be consistent and if you want to really just focus on long-term wealth, this is something that you want to look at, guys. Safer, larger cap swing trade investments really can be the form of swing trading for you, right? So I plan on getting into Apple right around like 170, 171, and I actually plan on riding it for maybe like a month or two, guys, because I think earnings are going to go really well, guys. I think Apple is going to kill it, become the first trillion-dollar company ever. So I just want to hop in right now. Like I said, it's close to the support line. It's a very good buying point right now, and I see it hitting 200 in the near future. So I'm going to hop in at around 170 and then ride it up and just see how far it can go, guys. So that's the first stock that I'm looking to buy in February of 2018. The second one I'm looking to buy is DGAS, and this is one of the most popular traded ETFs on this channel, and it's just showing great potential right now, guys. And if you guys are new to my channel and new to the stock market in general, DGAS is an inverse of UGAS. These are natural gas ETFs. So pretty much what that means, or they're inverse natural gas ETFs. And what that means is when one goes up, one goes down. When UGAS goes up, DGAS goes down, and they both play on natural gas. So pretty much however natural gas performs, that's how DGAS and that's how UGAS are going to perform. So if natural gas is doing really well, let me pull it up for you guys so you guys can get a better picture. If natural gas is doing very well, it's been on an insane bull run the past month or so, I would say. When it's doing really well, DGAS does poorly. So from 256 to 238, actually no, that's a bad example. Let's go to the 20-day analysis. From 274 to 362, DGAS has been doing very poorly, right? It's gone from, what was it? Let's go back to DGAS really quick. It's gone from levels of as high as like $40, right? $40 was its recent high, like $43, all the way down to $19. You saw through the bull run of natural gas, right? DGAS has gone from $43 to $19. And now, if we go back and check out natural gas again, we saw that natural gas actually fell all the way down to about $3, right? $3.03. And that just opens huge opportunity for DGAS, because as we can already see in the pre-market hours, UGAS is actually getting crushed right now. It hit highs of $100 this past week, and now it's all the way down to 86 at pre-market hours. So I see huge opportunity in DGAS in this upcoming month, and we can see from the chart here, guys, we see support levels at about $22, $23. That's a popular support level. I already have it drawn out here, and we can see that DGAS is currently at $20. So we're not going to invest in it right away, guys. We want to see an uptrend form on this particular ETF. We want to see a break above the EMA line, and we want to see a confirmation of that particular uptrend that we're looking for. So what I'm going to be doing with this stock, guys, I think I'm going to wait until it crosses about $22, $23 and keep my eye on natural gas as well, because that's the sole indicator of how this particular ETF is going to move. So from $23 up to previous resistances levels of, let's say 32 is the first resistance level we see here, and that's going to be anywhere from about 20 to 25% potential for profit. And if we kill it and go all the way to 43, that's insane. Close to 50% potential for profit. So this is why I see value in DGAS right now, guys. In my opinion, it's completely undervalued. We can see the RSI right here is it's in the middle. It's in the middle. It's starting to build up some volume here as well. So definitely going to be keeping an eye on DGAS and really find a lot of value in this. And just to put it in perspective to you guys, if you put $10,000 in at DGAS at about $23, and then ride it up to $43 for a 50% gain on that $10,000, you will make $5,000. Just to put it in perspective for you guys out there, if you're maybe a beginner and don't really understand how that works. So you can make $5,000 off a $10,000 investment if you hold this for, let's say, a month. So that is the second stock, or ETF rather, that I'm looking to trade in February of 2018. So the third one that I'm looking to trade is JDST, and this is another one that I've traded a bunch on this channel. This is actually a gold futures ETF, and this is the inverse of JNUG. So when JNUG goes up, JDST goes down, and these both trade on gold. Let me pull up gold real quick for you guys. Gold futures. So if we go to my active watch list, we can see it right here. Boom. So when gold does really well, when it hit highs of 1365, let's say for example, JDST was not doing very well. It was hitting lows, and now we see that JDST is doing decent pre-market hours simply due to this dip we see right here. We see that gold futures are slowly starting to dip. We can see that they're running below the EMA line. That is a good sign for JDST. If this continues its dip, JDST is going to do well. So if gold futures go down, JDST does well. If they do well, like when it hit this bull run, right? JNUG was actually the higher performing ETF out of the two, and we could see that JNUG is actually falling down. That's just good signs for JDST overall, guys. So we're going to be keeping our eyes on gold futures in particular for JDST, and we can draw out some supports right now so we can better understand how much profit we can make on this particular ETF. So we can see that the first support we have here, guys, is right around I would say right around $50, right? We see a clear support here at $50 where it bounced up here, and it bounced up here, but it failed to hold. That's a spot right here where a bunch of people got in JDST and got burned because it failed to hold this uptrend that it was holding from the $50 support level. But we're looking to retest those support levels, and that's where I'm actually going to be waiting to hop in on JDST. I want to get in right around like 50. like 51.50, $51. Once it breaks above that support level and confirms an uptrend, and it's looking good right now, guys. The EMA line's pointing up. It's trending above the EMA line, and it looks like it's going to do well this week. So that's why I'm keeping my eyes on JDST and gold futures. When you guys are trading these ETFs like JDST, DGAS, JNUG, and what's the other one? UGAS, you want to be able to keep your eyes on natural gas and gold futures because that's what these two ETFs, or these four ETFs rather, are trading on. So you want to understand how those are doing. Keep paying attention to natural gas and gold if you're trading these ETFs. And that's pretty much the video, guys. These are the three stocks I'm buying: JDST, DGAS, and Apple. So hope you guys found some value in this video. Do your own due diligence. Do not just invest in these solely off of my opinion. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Stas_Surfest_entrepreneurship. Link should be down below in the description. Also, if you're new to subscriber here, like I said in the beginning of the video, drop a comment, let me know so you can be entered into that giveaway. Let's make some money today, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.